Hey everybody, welcome back to Jackson Jet Setting for another resort tour. Today we're taking you on a full tour of the Mirage Las Vegas, where I recently stayed during the pandemic. So a lot of things were different than a normal stay at the Mirage, so let's go inside and check it out. The Mirage was built by Steve Wynn in the 1980s. It's very famous for its volcano out front that's erupting. Inside, during normal times, you have the Cirque du Soleil Love Show, which is Beatles themed, as well as a number of different tropical accents that makes it a very popular hotel. Probably its most remarkable feature inside is this glass domed atrium that everyone who's entering the casino basically has to walk through. So it's a great, feature of the hotel and makes it a little different than the other casinos, some natural light coming in. The lobby bar is located right next to that atrium, as well as the check-in area where you can check in with a front desk agent or mobile check-in. They have the little stations that, if you need to be on your phone and figure out where your reservation is, you can do that. The front desk area also has this very famous aquarium behind it with lots of tropical fish. It's featured prominently in Vegas Vacation as well as other films. I received a room upgrade to a strip view, just a typical 2-queen room. So let's go on a full tour of that room. I had just checked out of the Wind Tower suite, so I was not expecting a massive parlor suite like I received as a free upgrade with my Fine Hotels and Resorts reservation. This room was great though. We could book a completely free room, plus resort fee, which adds up to nearly $50. Through my M Life Gold status, which I get from my Hyatt Globalist status that I try and maintain each year. Pretty small bathroom. I'd say it's nicely appointed and definitely an upgrade over some of the cheaper M Life hotels like the Excalibur or the Luxor. You have some granite, you have some, new shower tiles. Everything seemed to be in great shape. Moving into the main bedroom, you have 2 queen beds. You have a full mini bar with sort of the snacks on top of the counter there. They also gave you an amenity kit due to the pandemic with custom Mirage cloth mats that are reusable, which I thought was kind of unique based on the other M Life properties that I've stayed at since the pandemic began. A great view of the strip right there, and overall a very comfortable room and easy to share with a group of friends if you're coming to Las Vegas. There are lots of restaurants in the Mirage around the casino floor. We dined at the pantry that you just saw there. A lot of the restaurants, though, during our weekday stay were closed. Right next to the guest elevators is the main hallway of the resort that has plenty of shops, a few restaurants, frozen yogurt stands, the spa and salon, the fitness center, and leads out to Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden, which we'll show you a little later, as well as the pool that was closed for my visit. But the Mirage Theater also hosts, a fabulous show during normal times, so definitely worth checking out. This main corridor is also where the Mirage Theater is, where, the main theater shows are, not the Cirque du Soleil show. So once shows start up again, that's something to take a look at. At the end of that hallway is the entrance of the Secret Garden, as well as the pool. We'll show you the pool a little later. The Cravings Buffet was closed. All the buffets I've seen in Las Vegas have been closed since the pandemic began, as well as some other high-end restaurants that were closed during my midweek visit that might be open on the weekend. So if you are visiting on a weekend, make sure to check the hours of availability for the restaurants on the main Mirage website, as they will change, at a moment's notice, especially as things open up. There's, of course, a ubiquitous Starbucks on property that remains busy in the morning. Diablo's Cantina, which used to be over at the Monte Carlo, that's been here for a number of years, as well as the popular Rum Bar, which was closed during my visit. Here's that fitness room that I was talking about. Decent size. If the hotel was sold out, might have to wait for that treadmill, though it is Las Vegas. Who needs a gym? I did actually use it this time. The pool itself, we had some really cold weather while we were here, so the pool was closed midweek, though it was supposed to be open most of the time. You know, a nice kind of tropical feel to it. No lazy river, but, you know, large pool. They also have Bear, which is the adults only pool. You know, in the back here, there's a pool bar. So, you know, if the pool is open, there's plenty for you to do. The Secret Garden, Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden is kind of a unique attraction on the strip that a lot of people I don't think know about. But there's a dolphin habitat as well as the Siegfried and Roy big cats that you can pay to enter. It's $25 to enter, though you can get a discount, $20 for Vegas residents as well as people with a AAA card. So if you do have a AAA card, make sure to bring that. The Dolphins do dolphin trainings as well as you know, different programs to educate visitors about the dolphins throughout the day. So definitely, you know, stay around for that. There's you know, I felt like for the price, it's a fun diversion for an hour or two away from the casinos and other things that in Vegas that can distract you. The big cats were definitely out and about during my visit, as you'll see ahead. Anyway, thanks so much for checking out my video. I have plenty of other resort tours, and we'll be posting more resort tours as the world opens up here on Jackson Jet Setting. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps me out a lot.